Yes, thank you, ladies. Please give them a round of applause. A round of applause for our gorgeous, fashionistas.
Hello, huwag mo na pong bumaba. Hello. Wait lang. Hello, okay, tinatawagan po ulit natin ang ating representative. Line lang po kayo dito, line lang po.